Alright guys, as you can see on the bench this morning I have a Taramps base 8K guys. And this one come to me, they said it's in protection mode, but I test it and I don't see it's in any protection mode. There's no light, I don't get any indicator light and nothing, power light, protection light, nothing. And when I connect the power wire I realize it's sparking. It's just sparking, so I just said yeah, I'm not gonna give it any more further test until I really take it apart. So up top right, I check the output, MOSFET and all that stuff, and power supply, and everything seemed to be reading fine. So this is kind of a messy one, guys. Sometimes we get them like that. Some mystery one like this. So I'm going to take it apart, guys, and see what's up. But I think there's something underneath the shorting out or somehow. But I test between the ground and the positive. It seems to be reading fine. There's nothing shorting out. But you never know. Something could be shorting out somehow, somewhere. Because the power is sparking whenever I connect it. So yeah, why is the sparking like crazy? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this stuff here. Don't like using this one because it will break the screws, guys. I'm telling you, it will. Just stop that now because I don't like using it, to tell you the truth. That's why I like this. This. Alright. That's mine. Bam, bam. This thing is not that straight and it should. Right. Remove this fan now. Let's see what causing this amplifier to be feeding back, giving me a feedback for some strange reasons. And fan, and next fan, and then here, guys, I'm gonna just remove only the screws for the RCA input and then the one for the speaker here. Yep. Right. Then start removing these little one on the circuit that hold the circuit down. Alright, guys. Give me a minute, guys. I'll be right back as soon as I take the circuit board apart. Alright? Alright, guys. It's out of the chassis now. As you can see, this board look away, guys. It's kind of a little foggy stuff here, like somebody did was look kind of starchy. A little cloudy look on the board. I don't know. I never seen one like this one. Oh my words. Alright, guys. When I tell you, look at this. Ay, ay, ay. Right here, guys. Something from the ground to one of and touching one of the pin and the output here is a piece of wire. Oh, man, let me see, show you guys. I found this with a lot of time. If you see here, guys, right here, right here, guys, is a piece of wire, silver wire. Look at that, guys. And not only there, guys, it's a copper one right here, and then here, look, guys, you guys can see there's a piece of, you know. So that could be the problem with this amplifier, guys, definitely. And what I'm going to do, right, even down here, look at this. I'm going to show you them, guys. Look at that. So, look at this. Look at this. It's a bunch of wires, so maybe, wow. Oh, man. I don't know if you guys will be able to see them. There's a bunch of them, guys. Of wires, copper and silver. That could be why this amplifier. So one of them was touching to the grounds and to one of the pin and one of the MOSFET for the output. So, um, you guys looking at, oh man, yeah, you could see that, guys. You see that? You see them? Yeah, those could be the problem. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is which one of these is it? Oh, this is ground. I'm going to pour it up. Definitely going to pour it up, guys, and see if that's the problem. That kind of yeah, come on. Yes, guys, I'm going to pour it on, definitely. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to try to pour it on just to see if it comes on. It wasn't coming on, pouring on. Just to see. Alright, so now that's one. So this is the remote. Screw the remote in, and then just making sure nothing else. And I tell you guys, those you find a lot of those problems with these amplifier, guys, with stuff like that. Alright. This is the ground. Turn it this way. Yeah, so that way what light should be right here, guys. So let you guys see what's going on. Alright, pour it on. Sweet. Still nothing. That's on. Okay guys, still nothing from this amplifier. It's not point on. Make sure everything's on here. Make sure I have 12 volts. Okay, 13 point something. So something is still wrong with this guys. So something is still wrong with this amplifier. Which way? Hmm. Where it happened? This seems like really dead. Like it's kind of weird. Everything's not right here. Check if these are was charging just now or what. Huh. So remote. This is something again here. Getting no power to this amplifier for some reason, guys. Oh, really? So that means 13 here. So let's see now. Let's see why this amplifier is not powered on. No power to this amplifier, guys, whatsoever. No power. Not powering on, guys. So okay guys, give me a minute here. Our customer. Alright guys, do some tests now. Some pieces to test, like somewhere off here guys where you have these 47 ohms and this 1 ohm right here. And this here, the diode here. This diode is giving a not so nice reading, come on. Alright, that's good. 47 R7, 4.7 ohms. And then you have here again, you have 47. Oh, this is a 4. Oh, hold on, guys. Something here. I found something, guys. Get my little binoculars. This is come on. So resistor R99. Yeah, R99, guys, which is a 4R7, 4.7 ohms is bad. Yes, guys, this one burnt out. Yep, this burnt out. Yeah, this one burnt out, guys. For sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And it could have taken this MOSFET with it. To tell you the truth, maybe it does. Oh, man. I could have taken this, not MOSFET, guys. I'm trying to. This is the IC right here, which is it's shorting out too. This is a TI07 It's a PA40. This PA40 or P4Q. I don't remember that number. Definitely this gonna have to remove, replace, guys. Yep, right here, guys. Resistor 99. Yeah, guys, which is the 4.7 ohm resistor, guys. Yeah, this one burnt out. Oh yeah, it's bad. All right, let me show it to you guys. All right, come on. So, we're going. Yes, guys, this little guy right here, guys. That little guy burnt out, guys. It's 4R7 ohms, 4.7 ohms. And I think I'm going to have to replace this IC here. Hold on, let me do some more testing, guys. Hmm. There's a diode here that's really bad too, guys. There's a diode right here which is it says D21, and this is a signal diode, I think, D21. Yep, D21 is reading bad, guys. Yep. Oh yeah, it's bad. Huh. So this diode too, guys, D21. Alright, so it's just hiding up now. Let me read from here to here. Alright, it's still shorting out here. So right, let me check something here. I'm pretty sure this IC is bad, guys. Pretty sure. No joke about it. Yeah, these two pins shorting out on this here. Yep. Number one and number four pin, I think it is. Let me see. Yes, number one and number four pin is shorting out. And they shouldn't be shorting out. At no time they should be shorting out, guys. Yeah, so this P, where do I have those IC again? Alright, right here, guys, I have it. So it's not, it's PA4Q, guys. PA4Q. So yeah, that's IC is PA4Q. And the original number is TPS7A6601QD. That's the original bus number, guys. That's what is in that here. Let me put it now. Put like this, more visible. And I have a couple here, so let's see. This is not gonna be easy to solder, but I'll get it done somehow. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one on the board right there. That's the PA4Q. PA4Q, guys. It's bad. Yeah, this is one of those 5 volts. So, okay, some people use the heat gun, but I have my little way of doing my thing, guys. Come on now. Right, see if I get this up and out, guys. Because this normally have it's solder underneath the bottom of it, guys. So I normally do something like this. Uh-huh. Oh, come on, come on. Right, so I'll put some. Alright, guys. So I remove that little IC, guys. Which wasn't that easy. Right, so now I have your so 1, 2, 3. Number 3 pin didn't solder to anything, guys. On this side here, number 3 pin. Yeah, didn't solder to anything, guys. So before I put in this, guys, I'm gonna just put in there because it's gonna take a little while. Don't want to mess it up. With that diode, that signal diode, guys, and right, let me see. Should be a signal diode for real, which is signal diode, guys. Yeah, 1N41, 41, 48, guys. 1N41, 48. All right. 41, 48. Alright, that's it right there, guys. Time to put the signal diode in. Come on. Jeez, man. Whew. Well, yeah, good. Very good, guys. Man, this thing is hot like 10 fireside. I have it at 770 degrees Fahrenheit. That's too hot. Right, let me get that 4.7 ohms resistor now, guys. Guys, 4R7 ohms right there. Um, Things magnetized, guys, so it's not, let me put this thing in place. Right. Alright. Always make sure the resistor flat to the circuit, guys. Flat. Alright. That's seated real flat. Come on. It's not that hot. Alright, guys. See, not okay. I'm almost at trading now. I don't want to draw this video, guys, so definitely it's not bad. This thing is tiny, guys, really, really tiny. The pins are very, very, very close. And plus underneath it has, we should solder. What I normally do, guys, I put a piece of copper. Come on, come on, now, come on. Wow, 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 wow. Right, guys, this one is giving me a little problem. I feel like it wanna give me some trouble. Mm-mm. The time you take the nagging in my head, the trouble waiting. Aha. Phew. Right, guys, I thinned it a little. So what I'm going to do now, this little thing right down on the board here. Then see if I can make it. All right. I didn't do something right here, guys. Where's that little weak, sort of weak, guys? Shabba. Clean this really good. Oh. The trouble is waiting, wrapped up in my bed. Yes, guys, this little one here, guys, is not a easy sound. Just to let you guys know. Yeah, not. Right. So here now, I remember down this pin. One, number two down here. Yeah. Remember, 3 doesn't connect to anything, guys. Alright, so number. Yeah. Uh-huh. Number 1. Okay. Alright, so let's see if I got it. What I should do, lift, spin out. Alright, seems to be okay, guys. Seems like I got it. Let's see here. See, guys, it's not shorting out. Good. So it seems like everything cook and curry, guys, with this one. Just making. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do, guys, is to I'm getting sick. But definitely gonna make a part 2 of this video, guys. So I'm gonna go over this some more, check around. If anything else, I'll let you guys know if I replace anything else. But for now, I replace the signal diode, which is D21, and the resistor, which is 4.7 ohm, which is that's R99 right here. And I replace the PA4Q IC right here, and that says that's IC9. So IC9 right here, guys. I replace it. That one is the PA4Q. Yeah. So I'm gonna go around and check if I see anything else wrong with this thing, guys, and I'll get back with you. All right. So see you on part 2 of this video, guys. All right. All right. So Carter, guys, out for now. Part 2 coming up shortly.